What's good, baby? Chosen one with the golden tongue here. Quick message for y'all, man. God put this on my heart. I don't know who this message is for, but it's for somebody important, and I hope you take heed to the message. But the message today is, make them beg for it. Make them beg for what, Scene Ashty? Make them beg for you back. Make them beg to have that energy, that time, that sympathy, that empathy you had for them. Make them beg for it back. Why you say that, Scene Ashty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Due to the simple fact of all the trials and tribulations and humiliation that this person has put you through, what psychological sense does it make to take them back when they try to make their reappearance, Chosen One? Chosen One, you know you've been working hard on yourself. You know you've been working hard on whatever your craft is. You know you've been working hard to change to break the generational curses that you are going through. You know you're hard to change you know you're working hard to benefit the generations of the generations to come. You get what I'm saying? I know, Chosen One, that you have been working your ass off to heal yourself from all the pain that this person put you through. Why would you take him back? What psychological sense does that make, playa? None. Feel me? This person put your heart through the ringer. They broke your heart. They hoped you died and stuck a needle in your eye. Feel me? Literally ripped your heart out when you gave it to them on a silver platter with a silver spoon. Oh, and you told them how much you loved and appreciated them in your life by not just your words, but your actions. And what did they do, Chosen One? They took your heart and they just threw it into a deep, dark pit. And in that deep, dark pit, there were lions, tigers, and bears, all starving. All starving. But you know what? You're one of God's elect, Chosen Ones. You are the child of the Most High. Those lions, tigers, and bears, you know what they did? They hemmed your heart up. And then they brought it back to you, Chosen One. You healed yourself through all those trials and pains and tribulations and terroristic nights this person caused you. Sleepless nights thinking about this person and what they did and who they're with and all this crap. What sense does it make to take them back? Make them beg for you back, because they will come back. They see that you're reaching your higher version. They see that you're working on something that's going to change the perspective of the millions. And Scene Ashty means millions of people out there. Feel me? Chosen Ones, we have a mission, and we're on a mission. And that's to wake up other Chosen Ones who are going through this situation that some of us have went through already. And listen, Chosen One, you're not going through the situation. You're not going through the bull crap you have to go through right now. You're growing through it. You are growing through all those heartaches. You are growing through all those pains. You are growing, because without no pain, there is no gain, Chosen One. And that goes with everything. You have to go to the gym, put yourself through pain to beautify your body. Same thing with your knowledge, and the same thing with your spirituality. You're going to have to go through some pain and some eye-opening realizations on your journey. Feel me? You're going to have to go through all that, and it's going to be a painful, lonely process, lone wolf style. Feel me? People are going to take advantage of you if they haven't already. If they see that your kindness can be taken for weakness. Feel me? If they see that your empathy has a revolving door that they could just keep coming back with the same old sad stories, the same old stories from the past, and you give them advice, you share your empathy with them, you give them your advice, and what do? They don't apply the message, they don't apply the advice, they ignore it and come to you the next day with the same bull crap. Empaths, stop uplifting these people. Because all they're doing is draining you. Those people are actually energy vampires. If you see that the person just wants to be coddled and they want their little pathetic words to be just listened to, they just want somebody to throw all these pathetic, lacking, non-abundant words upon, feel me? And empath, chosen one, you are the strongest person that they can, because you're the only one that listens. Nobody listens in this society. There are two people in this society, the talker and the listener. And the listener is people that are going extinct. We should be on the what's that, endangered species list. That's how you say it, right? Yes. Make them beg for your energy back. Your energy uplifted them every time. Their little frail, fragile ego. Your words, your presence, your time, your energy was what they needed. You know? That's all they needed. And what happened? They were gone after they got it. Moment of silence for those people, because today, after this video, I'm pretty sure there's a few chosen ones out there whose eyes are going to be open up to the games and the manipulation, mind games. Make them beg when they come back. And chosen one, like I said, I promise you they will come back. They're always watching. Believe it, they are always watching. Is that the end of the message? I believe so. Make them beg, chosen one. I'm about to be out of here, man. I hope somebody's still watching. If you're still watching, just hit the like button, you know. It helps get the message out to other chosen ones, you know, for the almighty algorithm. Praise the almighty algorithm. You know, hit the like button for your boy. You know what I'm saying? If you like the character Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. C Nashty. Nashty. Hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Come check me out in another video, or go check the catalog. I got about 1,000+ videos in there with a whole bunch of high-level consciousness conversations, because I know you can't get that in these streets that we're living on right now. Right now, in the twilight zone that we're living in, I don't know, that's another video. All right, chosen one, here's the outro. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinash, the Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. One love.